Today we're making Sriracha garlic wings. Let's get into it. Welcome to Family Meal. The ingredients you're gonna need are 2 pounds of chicken wings, Cajun spice blend, Worcestershire, garlic, oil, lemon juice, and Sriracha garlic barbecue sauce that I got from Trader Joe's. When I make marinade, I like to put it all in a bowl first. So I'm gonna dump my Cajun in, Worcestershire, oil, lemon, and my garlic. I'm gonna whisk that. I like mixing it in a bowl first so that the marinade's all even. You're not struggling to get all the chicken coated. Pour this on our chicken. Now you're gonna mix your marinade into your chicken. Make sure it's all evenly coated. Ideally, you would like to marinate your chicken overnight, but if you're in a rush, give it at least 30 minutes to marinate. Rule of thumb, the longer you let it marinate, the better it's gonna be. Now we're gonna pop these wings into the oven and we're gonna bake it for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. You always want to warm your barbecue sauce up before you coat your chicken or whatever you're cooking. I'm going to throw a little bit of butter into this pan and then the barbecue sauce. The butter is just going to make it a little bit richer, and if it's too spicy, it's just gonna tone it down a bit. Now that my sauce is hot and my wings have baked for 30 minutes, I'm going to toss them in this barbecue sauce and throw them back in the oven. Now for the spicy slaw, here's Zachy.
What's up guys, I'm Zach and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious spicy slaw. I feel like I spit.
This slaw is all yours, my friend.
So for this recipe, you're going to need red cabbage, a carrot, cilantro, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper, sugar, honey, Dijon mustard, and diced jalapeno. First, we're going to add our wet ingredients. Apple cider vinegar, olive oil, Dijon mustard, and honey. Now I'm going to add all of our dry ingredients. Salt, pepper, sugar, chopped cilantro, and diced jalapeno. Then I'm going to mix it all up until everything is incorporated. Now for the main ingredient, cabbage and carrots. Then I'm going to mix it all up. And there you have it, spicy slaw. Now back to Jerome with the wings.
There you have it, Sriracha garlic wings. What do you prefer, flats or drums? Let us know in the comments below. Bye.